Hello and welcome to the Law Office of Kenneth Kamen weekly legal podcast. In this edition, we're looking at administration of estates, probate in New Jersey, and briefly, we're going to talk about trying to work together because sometimes the people fight and fight and fight, and there's lawsuits, and um, many times nobody comes out ahead. So, typically, the job of the executor and that the executors where there's a will is to make sure that the estate is properly handled. They got to hire attorneys, other professionals to have things done. So the executor brings the will to the surrogate. After the will is admitted to probate, we have to send a notice of probate to all the beneficiaries. That gets filed with the county surrogate. Then there's a thing called a New Jersey inheritance tax. If there's real estate, even if there's no tax that's due, we need to get the waivers, have the waivers filed with the county clerk's office for the real estate. Basically, pay bills, liquidate the assets. People usually hire an accountant, a CPA, to do the individual tax returns. Plus, in New Jersey, there's no estate tax if it's under $2 million, and sometimes the executor doesn't do what they're supposed to do. So when people contact our office and they say this person hasn't done this and this and this, a lot of times, the person's response is, I don't know, I had to do it. So before we just rush off and file a lawsuit, a complaint, or to show cause, we'll at least send a letter saying, listen, to our understanding, my client hasn't received, an informal accounting. Please have it prepared and provide it to us. Also answer the following questions. Wait a week or two. If there's no response, send another letter. No response, then we tell the client, well, we'll attach these letters to the complaint or to show cause. But settling cases usually is in everyone's best interest. There are books and treatises written on handling estates and probate in New Jersey, but typically I tell people, don't spend your time reading those. You hire a decent attorney. The attorney will handle it for you, so you don't have to go out and learn new things. Nobody wants to go out and learn how to do their own electrical work anymore. Bad things happen when you try to do your own electrical work. For other information on wills, probate, estate administration, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Burkhammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.